Koopa here is decided to perch himself firmly on my hand. Yeah, good day, bud. So, tuck it down comfy on my hand as well, so he's not going to be wanting to go anywhere. You're just wanting to sit on me for a bit, aren't you, bud? Hey. He smells so good. Got that really fresh dove smell that he never really lost. Such cute movements, haven't you, bud? Look, his parents are moving around. It's distracted his attention. See if he will move off my hand. I don't think he will, because he seems very comfortable at the moment. Aren't you? Wasn't sure if he hurt his wing before, but I don't think he did. What was that? Oh, okay. Very chatty today, aren't you? Every time he moves his mouth like that, he's basically speaking. It's one of the ways that birds communicate as well. I've said it a bunch in the videos, but it's always interesting to see you talking. It's crazy. I used to have them out, and I witnessed them learning how to do stuff when he was younger, and then I'd watch his parents do it with him. They'd be trying to teach him how to forage, and they'd be all doing the mouth, the beak movements. It's quite interesting to see, especially when you just determine that for the first time. It's like, oh my god, they're actually talking to each other in a quiet way. Have a great day, everybody.